Lockdown's been extended again, so my dad has been buying even more made easy food. Today we'll be air frying Coles' slow cooked pork belly slices. To start off with, you'll need a baking pan or a dish. Inside you'll find 400 grams of pork belly slices in Tonkatsu sauce. Remove the pork belly from the packaging and place it in the dish. Arrange the meat evenly around the baking pan. Unfortunately, the bag was vacuum sealed, so it was hard to keep them in one piece. If you enjoy these air fryer videos, please like and subscribe as it helps us create more content. Now coat the meat evenly with the remaining sauce. Preheat the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius. Then place the meat into the air fryer. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 13 minutes. It's generally 20% less time than the oven. For even browning on the meat, it's optional to flip it halfway through the process. When it's finished, plate the meat and serve it with your favorite sides. We'll be serving ours with some rice, garlic stems, garnish, and spring onions with sesame seeds. And don't forget to scrape the remaining sauce off the pan into the meat. It definitely looked great, but did it taste great? Again, I do apologize for my dad's loud chewing. The answer to that is yes, it did. The meal is quick, easy, and delicious. The tonkatsu sauce is thick, sticky, and sweet. It definitely goes well with rice. The food gets a thumbs up from us. If you recommend any air fryable, ready-made food, please let us know in the comments and we'll do it next.